Want a flawless dark skin makeup with a touch of color? I'll show you a step-by-step, quick, easy, and camera ready. Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MaMiissy here. Today I'll show you how to achieve this flawless full glam with a bold shimmer lid, perfect for dark skin, no ash or glow. Let's get right into it. Starting up with eyebrows. I love starting up with eyebrows because it gives structure, balance and clarity to the rest of my makeup. It helps map out the rest of the face more effectively and avoid mistakes or touch-ups later. I'm done filling my brows and I'm going right in to conceal them with concealer. I'm starting from the lower part of my brow before I conceal the top part of my brow. I'm going in with a small fluffy brush to blend any leftover concealer around my brows while dragging it onto my eyelids. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going in with concealer to prime my eyelids. I'm going to apply a considerate amount on both eyes, go in with a brush and blend them out smoothly. Going in with some loose powder to set the concealer. This is to avoid any creasing. I'm blending a warm brown shade in the crease to warm up the look. Going into the crease again with a deeper brown shade. I'm going in with a flat brush to pack some blue shimmer on the lid. This eyeshadow color is not even giving blue, it's giving more of turquoise. While applying the shimmer onto the lid, we want to press and not swipe for max color. I'm going in with some brown to blend the edges softly. Lining and smoking out the edge with some black eyeshadow. This is to better define the eye look. I'm going in with my tweezer to place my eyelashes. Moving on to skin, we are applying primer to smooth texture and help our foundation last. Next on, we are going ahead to apply foundation. I'm using a flat brush to apply it on my skin before going in with my dense foundation brush to blend it all out. I start blending from my jawline and building coverage slowly. going ahead to highlight my face by using a concealer which is 1 to 2 shades lighter. While letting my concealer sit for a while, I'm going in with my liquid blush and applying it on my cheek. I'm going ahead to blend out the contours on my cheekbones, temples, and jawline. Using a brush to blend out my blush. While blending, I make sure I'm moving upwards. I'm going ahead to blend out the concealer. You want to blend by tapping and not dragging. Just tap for brightness. I'm going in to set my concealer by pressing setting powder under the eye and on the T-zone. You want to skip white powders because they look ashy on dark skin. Applying powder blush to set the liquid blush in place. I'm going in with some powder to contour my nose. I'm going ahead to line my lips with a deep brown matte lipstick. I'm using the concealer brush to clean around my lips. I'm going ahead with a nude lipstick to fill the middle part of my lips. This is going to help balance the eye look. colors to finish my lips. I'm going ahead to apply highlight on my cheekbones and lock it in with a setting spray. And here we have our final look. If you love this look, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you wear this look. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. See you in the next. Bye.